Have you ever wondered how you can monetize your photography? Today we'll explore a proven method, selling stock photos and videos. This isn't just about clicking a button and hoping for the best, but rather about creating unique, high-quality images and videos that have the potential to be picked up by a wide range of buyers. The beauty of this approach is that it combines your passion for photography with a practical way to earn money. Stay tuned as we dive into the step-by-step process of turning your passion into a profitable venture. To start off, get to know your market. The world of stock photography is vast and diverse, but not all images will sell. A keen understanding of what buyers are looking for is the foundation of commercial success in this field. It's not just about capturing stunning visuals, but more importantly, it's about delivering content that meets the demand. Popular themes, subjects, and trends are your guiding lights. Consider this. What are the recurring themes you notice in advertising? What are the subjects that seem to resonate with people, both in the commercial and editorial sectors? What are the trends shaping the aesthetics of the digital world? Staying in tune with these elements can help you create images that not only captivate but also sell. And remember, trends evolve, so staying on top of them is key. Armed with the right knowledge, you'll be able to create content that sells. The second step is to create quality content. Creating quality content is a process that involves several key elements. It's not just about pointing and shooting, it's about thoughtfully composing your shot and using your tools effectively. Let's start with lighting. Good lighting is crucial to creating quality photos and videos. It sets the mood, brings out the textures and colors, and can make or break an image. Whether you're using natural light or studio lights, you need to understand how to manipulate it to create the effect you want. Next, we have focus. A clear focus is essential. It draws the viewer's attention to the subject and creates a depth of field. It helps to distinguish the subject from the background and can turn an ordinary shot into an extraordinary one. Now let's talk about perspective. A unique perspective can make your photos and videos stand out. It's about seeing things from a different angle, a different point of view. It's about challenging the norm and breaking the rules. So don't be afraid to experiment and get creative with your shots. But creating quality content doesn't end when you press the shutter button. Post-processing is an integral part of the process. It allows you to fine-tune your images, enhance their colors, adjust their contrast, and correct their imperfections. It's like adding the final touches to a masterpiece. While post-processing may seem daunting at first, there are plenty of tools and tutorials out there that can help you get started. It's a skill that requires time and practice, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to take your photos and videos to the next level. In the end, the key to creating quality content is to pay attention to the details. It's about capturing the beauty in the ordinary and the extraordinary. It's about telling a story, conveying an emotion, and creating a connection with your audience. Remember, quality over quantity. A well-composed, unique photo will always stand out. Next, you'll need to choose a platform to sell your work. Now, there's a veritable smorgasbord of stock photo sites out there, each with its own unique blend of pros and cons. It's like a marketplace, bustling with potential buyers, but also teeming with competition. So how do you choose the right one for you? Let's consider a few popular options. You have big players like Getty Images and Shutterstock, boasting massive exposure and a wide array of content. But remember, with great exposure comes great competition. These sites also tend to take a hefty commission, so bear that in mind. Then there are platforms like Adobe Stock and Alamy. They offer a fair balance of exposure and commission rates. Plus, they're integrated with popular photo editing software, which can be quite handy. And don't forget about the niche sites. They might not have the same reach as the giants, but they cater to a specific audience, which can sometimes mean less competition and higher sales. So, if your work has a particular theme or style, these could be worth exploring, but it's not just about commission and exposure. Consider the user interface too. You want a site that's easy to navigate, both for you and your potential customers. In the end, it's about finding the right balance. Weigh up the exposure you'll get against the commission you'll lose. Consider the user experience and the potential audience. And remember, you can always start with one site and branch out later. Choose a platform that suits your needs and maximizes your earnings. Once you've chosen a platform, it's time to submit your work. So you've got your platform picked out and you're ready to upload your work. This is a crucial step in your journey to monetizing your photography. Let's take a moment to walk through the process. First things first, you'll need to log into your chosen platform. Most stock photo sites have a straightforward, user-friendly interface. Look for an option that says Upload or Submit Images. Click on this, and you'll typically be prompted to choose the files you wish to upload from your device. Take your time here. Remember, quality trumps quantity. Now, once you've selected your files, the next step is usually to provide some details about your work. This is where keywording and categorizing come into play. These are not just boxes to tick, they're your lifeline to potential buyers. You see, when someone searches for a particular type of image or video, the platform uses these keywords and categories to show them relevant results. So how do you choose your keywords? Think about what your photo or video represents. Is it a serene landscape, a bustling city scene, or perhaps a close-up of a rare bird? Use descriptive words that accurately capture the essence of your work. Try to step into the shoes of your potential buyer. What words would they use to search for your image? Categorizing your work correctly is equally important. Most platforms will have predefined categories. Again, choose the one that best fits your image or video. Keep in mind, these steps may vary slightly from platform to platform, but the principle remains the same. Your goal is to make your work as discoverable as possible. Now, after you've filled in all the necessary details, it's time to hit that submit button. It may take some time for your work to be reviewed and approved by the platform. So don't worry if you don't see your images immediately. With your work submitted, you're one step closer to monetizing your photography. Patience, diligence, and a keen eye for detail will set you on the path to success. So keep going, keep growing, and most importantly, keep capturing those stunning shots. Finally, build a portfolio and focus on growth. We've all heard the saying, variety is the spice of life, and it rings especially true when it comes to stock photography. Your portfolio should be as diverse as the world we live in. From the urban jungle to serene landscapes, from the joy of a wedding to the quiet solitude of a morning coffee, your images should capture the breadth of human experience. Building a portfolio isn't a one-time task, it's an ongoing project. As a stock photographer, you are a visual storyteller, and every story you tell adds another layer to your portfolio. Remember, it's not just about quantity, but also the quality of your work that sets you apart. Consistency is key in this game. Regularly uploading new content not only keeps your portfolio fresh, but also increases your visibility in the market. It's like a snowball effect. The more consistent you are, the more your portfolio grows, and the more likely you are to make sales. But don't rest on your laurels. The stock photography market is always evolving, and so should you. Keep learning, keep experimenting, attend workshops, read articles, watch tutorials. The more you know, the better your images will be, and the more they'll sell. So don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. Step out of your comfort zone and embrace the journey of growth. Remember, every image you capture is a piece of the puzzle that is your portfolio. Keep shooting, keep learning, and watch your earnings grow. That's it. You're now ready to start monetizing your photography. We've journeyed together through understanding the market, creating quality content, selecting the ideal stock photo site, submitting your work, and building a portfolio. It's a process, but with passion and persistence, you can turn your love for photography into a profitable venture. So go ahead, capture the world in your unique way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow photographers. Start earning from your passion today.